Hi, I'm Mrs. Francisconi, and welcome to my fourth grade.
Hi, my name is Mr. Elliott, and welcome to fourth grade.
Hi, I'm Ms. Sampson. Welcome to the fourth grade.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Piro.
And I'm Miss Padilla,
And
we teach fourth grade. Hi, thanks for touring Nathan Hale Arts Magnet School, the premier arts magnet school of Southeastern Connecticut. Fourth grade is a transitional year for students, therefore we inspire students to find their unique talents. We encourage students to become independent learners and thinkers by engaging in activities to develop their higher order thinking skills. Our fourth grade students are role models and develop relationships with the younger students through weekly book buddy meetings. Through cooperative and hands-on learning, students take on leadership roles to build their confidence as they learn from one another. As students take on these leadership roles, they begin to develop and build their confidence. Students begin to understand that risk-taking leads to learning. Can't wait to see you next year.